So today out of the Tesla, we are repairing a hubcap seal. Now, what you'll see here is that you got your trailer bearing cap seal here. And as you can see, this is leaked out and obviously it's been removed and a whole bunch of fluid leaked out. What happens is that this metal and this plastic piece here will eventually start to leak and fail. So the best thing to do is just run over to your local Fleet Pride store, pick up a new one, scrape the old gasket off and put the new one on and then top it off with fluid. Super easy to do here. Just take your gasket, line it up with your bolt holes, and then we'll go ahead and grab our hardware and nurse it on. And I always put my threads in by hand first, just a little bit. So here's a quick tip for you. Whenever you're going to be using gear oil or any bottle like this, you just want to clip the tip off of one of the gear oil pieces, and you want to leave the other cap on solid. That way, if you're left over with a bottle that you didn't use completely, you still have a solid cap, because these little tops right here aren't going to do it justice. So now we can go ahead and start filling everything back up with gear oil with our cut top. Now it is gear oil, so it's going to take a second for it to seep its way through to the other side. Now some of your trailer bearing caps are going to end up having a fill, but this one does not have that. So on this one here, what we're going to have to do is just let it seep its way through and then continuously refill it. Once you're done topping off the fluid, we'll go ahead, take it for a short test drive. Now the full line is actually this top line right here, and the add line is this bottom line right here. But as this thing runs and drives down the road, the gear oil is going to become thinner as it warms up, and that more viscous fluid at that point is going to work its way through all the bearings, and we'll be able to recheck our fluid at that point and top it off as required. So we just took this thing out for a short little test drive, and as you can see, the gear oil has worked its way down after it settled. So we're going to go ahead and top this off just a hair more so she's nice and full.